Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. It is Thursday, October 14th, 12:01, and the Bulls are back. Yes, the Bulls are back, guys. This is it. This is exactly what we're looking for. 12:31. Let's dive in. Hope you guys are making that money today because it is a money green unless you are shorting. I wouldn't recommend shorts. So I shared my setup. So I'm probably not going to do that very long because I don't want anybody front running my trades if they're watching. But if you are watching, I guarantee you, if you do watch, you're going to make money and you're going to learn. First, you're going to learn, then you're going to make money. All right. So here we go. XPX, man, this is what we call the dead, right? Not a dead cat. Breaking. We called this last night. I said it's probably going to gap up. Is it going to hold? This is where you get in right here at that 4,400. We broke about 4,500. You know the levels. Where did it go? 44.31 today, right now, 44.31. Is it going to hold right now? Is it going to hold? How do we know? Well, it's probably coming to an end or it can go back up. Next level up is around the 4470. Okay, 4470. Then we have 4500. But man, this is demand. And guys, if I'll show you my secret sauce over here, and I'll probably do it at the end. But yeah, it's coming to the end right now. It looks like probably consolidate. That's at lunch hour. So expect the move to probably hang around this area. And let's see what happens after lunch. And then let's see at the close. But so far we're holding. And yeah, congratulations. Booyah. Kramer's words. You made some money today. Money green today. All right. NASDAQ, same type of flow. Tech are back. They've been hammered, and you can't keep the tech down for so long. They are back. But we are coming to the end here, and look where we hit. We're about to hit 1,500. Boo. Can I hit these levels, guys? Give me a, yeah, I'm hitting these levels. All right, Russell. Love it. Gave you the whole day yesterday. 2241. Awesome. Gapped up, Brett. Fresh set of back D's in the morning, and you're off to the races. You have a 30 point ripper. 2272. Let's see where we got up here. We got this level up here. It's probably going to consolidate. Let's see. Can it go further? Yeah, it's consolidating, right? Let's hang out there. You made your money. Remember, we're pretty far away from the 50, pretty far away from the 50. Do not chase. I repeat, do not chase. But man, oh man, if you're have some green, roll up. If it feels gonna pop, roll up with some profits that you have already done. Take about 20-30% of your profits and roll up into something else. And that's gonna be your lotto. Guess what? If it goes up, you made more money. If it doesn't, who cares? You still made money, right? That's the way to play it. Manage your account effectively. All right, Alphabet. Look at this one. Like I said, Alphabet has a mind of its own. It's back to its previous day's high. So watch what it does here. Remember, Alphabet's coming up with earnings. It might be running into earnings, but chill out right now. It looks like it's coming to the end. At lunchtime, they're all coming to the end. It looks like it. If you have some profits in Alphabet, again, same type of play. We called these out all day yesterday. And boom, good, man. So which one did you take? Amazon, booyah, wrapped up, hit this 33.13. It's consolidating, it's pulling back. Let's see what happens here. Can Amazon go higher? It looks like it's pulling back a little bit. But we have this 33.13, 14 that it's kind of stopping it, it's holding it. But let's see if it's gonna take another run at it. It's pulling back nicely. Let's see if it's gonna break out. So again, markets are robust, but yeah, just take a look. Congratulations, Amazon. You do have a nice profits that there is setting up for a 50-day move. So again, you have to trust the system. Don't worry if you miss this one. There will be another one. And Amazon setting up for it. Tesla, I call this one out in the chat. I said Tesla's setting up nicely. Let's see if it can break out. It's going up to highs. It looks like it wants to run into its earnings, man. So 808, I mean, guys, beautiful moves here. They're all green. ISRG, man, this was setting up. I said this before today's play. It's ready. Again, don't get greedy. Do not get greedy because it had some here. I had some 332. It bounced up from 328. You got a 5-point ripper there. It's pulling back. Look, it's coming to the end here. Let's see if it can go higher. But again, it's probably just stalling. Okay, Chipotle's ready, right? This is running into earnings. So if you want to get into an earnings play, it looks prime. I call this one out today too. Look at this run, 827, sitting at 1840. So 27 to 40, you're looking at approximately what? 13 points, 14 points, somewhere in there. It looks ready and it's kind of consolidating a little bit, but everything's moving up. So as long as the markets keep moving up, I think that you're going to see these things run. Okay, let's look into uh, MicroStrategies pulled back a little bit today. Again, it's bouncing off here. MACDs are setting up. Be careful of this one. Okay, so if Bitcoin goes up, Bitcoin right now is sitting at 57. So if it goes up, this will go up. But I didn't like this sell off like this. But watch it. A Shopify. Look at this one run. This one was given yesterday. Look where it is right now. Imagine 1372. You almost have 100-point ripper. Look at this thing, just running, running, running. This thing cannot stop running. It's coming to a close to the end here. Look at the MACDs. They're pulling back. Let it pull back. It's probably going to consolidate. So if you have some profits on this thing, probably lock it in and then wait for another setup here. Netflix is running, right? It's toying with that 632, 637 area. It looks like it wants to go. They just increased the rates. It's coming up November 1st. So probably a lot of you just probably got the email. So I think that has to do. But look at this setup. Looks beautiful. Looks beautiful. It looks like it's ready to go. It's perfect. This is where you want to see in the MACDs when you see what's called a bull flag. You want to see the MACDs acting exactly like this. It looks like it's ready to run. Roku. I gave you this one in the chat as well. It looks ready. If you took that, it looks like it's bouncing here. Wants to probably test the highs. And this was given to at lunch yesterday, 322 to 332, 334. You made some money in this thing. So beautiful. NVIDIA 205 to 210, right? So where did we open up yesterday? We opened up above 210. This is where you take that trade, you know your levels, and you're gone. Look, you got a fresh set of MACDs, add a gap up, you take it. And if you took this trade, this is a slow mover, but can you make some money on this thing? Absolutely. It looks like it wants to go up to, let me see where it wants to go. Where does you want to go? Looks like, let me go back and reset this. Let me see. Oh, it looks right here. We have this. Let me see what we got. All right. Looks like it wants to take out this. Oh, we did take it out. Okay. So we go just on the next level here. Okay, it's consolidated right at that 215. If we break that, we probably have 217. I wouldn't chase the trade. We're pretty far away from the 50. We set a fresh MACDs. It looks good though. It looks really, really good. All right. Let me bring it back. Mercado Libre again yesterday. Another ripper. It looks like it's dying down. Pushed a little higher. You should be locking in those gains. Wait for the next setup, unless you're going for a longer term play. Apple, what did we say? 141. You broke 141. You got a fresh set of MACDs. Let me make this bigger. So what did we say? Alignment with the 141, fresh set of MACDs. Bam, you're off to the races. It looks like it wants to go. Remember, Apple's up. Goldman Sachs is up. XPX is not going down. You know what is going down? The VIX. All right, that's what we like. Oil reserves. I think that this was a hedge play. It's consolidating there. It still can probably go up. So if you wanted this for a hedge, maybe a couple of weeks, but it looks like it's just kind of consolidating right at that 218 area. It could probably run. It tried to run pre-market, but couldn't really hold it. That 222 is pretty hard. Just remember that. And it's probably going to go to 222. So next level up, 222, and watch that one. All right, I gave you a few more today, and this is what I was looking at. So Goldman Sachs is up. Again, they're announcing earnings after today. Affirm. Okay, so some news hit on Affirm, and I kind of suspected it. I was wondering. So they're giving everyone this layaway plan, and you're giving the product up front. I was wondering, but basically, a news story just came out about an hour, 2 hours into the marketplace that they're starting to find people defaulting on their payments. So I was wondering when that's going to happen because they give it to everyone. So it caused the price to go down, and from 153. And guess what? Right before the pre-market, I did say, look, it's probably going to go back down. But if you wrote it up, look at the MACDs again. I told you in the pre-market, if the MACDs are going down, you do not want to be long. If the MACDs are going up, you do not want to be short. So again, a firm is being shorted. Okay, Upstart, just rocking, rocking, rocking. Remember the theme of the day. They're looking for these are companies that add performance, more performance to companies, and with the least amount of employees. So here we go. HubSpot's another one. All right, so these are doing really well. But there was I just got HubSpot, so I need to get familiarize myself with it. But it looks like I had an opportunity here. Still fairly new, so just give yourself some time to familiarize yourself with it. All right, what I was telling you about, this is my secret sauce. Angel, how do you know? Well, guess what? This is the hourly. This is the XPX. This is the hourly. If you study these, you know that these don't break up or down very often. So when it breaks up, it's not going to break down the same day. And look at these levels that we're taking out. Look at this 44.32 taken out. If that gets taken out, guess where we're going? You got it. Where are we going? We're going right here. 44.63, 44.85. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It looks like it wants to go fresh set of MACDs on the hourlies. And is it coming to an end? Doesn't seem like it. On the 15 minutes, looks like coming into a little bit here. But all right, guys, that's it. That's a secret sauce. And go out there, go get it. And we'll see you tomorrow.